Alright, so this is going to be a random video. I went to Costco and they had this. I kept watching videos online of like sous vide cooking steaks and stuff, so I kind of wanted one of these. I mean, I don't buy steak that often, but I don't know. I don't want to like spend too much money on steaks and stuff, but we'll see. Maybe I'll try making other stuff that doesn't cost so crazy expensive. But anyways, this thing was expensive by itself. From Costco, it was $200. But anyways, I'll show you. Let's see here. So I'll show you the box. It's by this company called Anova. I bought it because I checked like on Amazon and stuff, and I was looking at these, and then they were selling this by itself close to $200 from this brand, and then this bucket thing was like another $80. So I figured I'll take a look. I have a feeling Costco will probably, every time I buy something kind of expensive from Costco, they end up going on sale like soon after, because this wasn't really a sale price. So I have a feeling in a few days or weeks it's going to be on sale, and then I'm going to have to return this one and buy another one or something, or buy another one and return that one in its place. But anyways, so yeah, Anova sous vide kit, precision cooker. If you guys are looking up sous vide, you probably know what sous vide is, but anyways, you set a temperature and it circulates the water to a certain temperature, so that way it can cook to that temperature all the way through. But yeah, it tells you, it shows you all these recipes with the app. Okay, comes with the container. So the container, so if you cook multiple things at once, you can kind of space them out. Otherwise you end up like they stack together and the water doesn't circulate that well around. But here you go, it tells you how to make the steaks. You can make some eggs and salmon and stuff like that. Okay, so it tells you traditional and that. Anyways, let's open it up. There's nothing really on the bottom. Okay, so you just pull these two tabs out, and then you can lift this up. Yep. So, oh, I probably didn't mention the price of this from Costco, but it was $200. So yeah, when I saw that the thing by itself was $200 on Amazon without the container and everything, and I was like, oh, I'll give it a shot, we'll see. Then they tell you here to go, you can go online to their website and get the bags and stuff like that, but yeah, I mean, I don't need that stuff. Okay, I have a vacuum sealer from Costco actually, but I haven't been using that too much either. So okay, let's see, we got this, that's gonna tilt it up. You got this, it's metal. Alright, sorry about that. A customer just called and it turns off my recording. I hate that. It should just ignore their call until I stop the recording. But anyways, so I was saying this thing is metal. Okay, it comes in this plastic baggie. Not that you care, you just throw that plastic baggie away. This has little rubber thingies on it. Alright, let's see here. Quick start guide. Okay, they tell you what to use about the sealable bag. Sorry, it's getting all glare on it. You can use your pot, any pot, something tasty. I don't know if I should have actually bought this because the container's nice, but at the same time, I don't have a place to put this. So anyways, okay, it tells you there's a display, LED, maximum water level line, so you don't want to fill it too high. Minimum level line. Alright, oh, so here, max and min. Alright, adjustable clamp, removable skirt, plug. Okay, it tells you what the lights mean. So preheating, solid blue is cooking, red is low water, error if you don't have enough water, and then white is pairing, I guess, to your phone. So it tells you how to set it up and everything. Probably you guys don't care about this, but if you want to read it, here it is. Okay, I'll let you go over that. This is basically just an unboxing, but if you bought this and you threw your thing away, maybe this will help somebody. Okay. Sorry, it's glaring too much. Hopefully you can actually still read it. Alright. I don't think any of this is important. It's just how to not get yourself electrocuted or something. Alright, I'll set that aside. We'll take this thing out. Alright, so, oh, this thing's like the rubber flaps. Okay, it comes out. Ugh. Let's see here. Anything else? Nothing else on the bottom. Okay, so it comes like this. Got this big container here in a baggie. So I guess the good thing with this is because the container is designed to fit the thing, that it keeps the heat in better because it keeps it completely closed around it. So let's see, it's like a rubber seal here. Okay, kind of nice. You see these rubber flaps, and it's pretty solid feeling. All right. So here they show you some more instructions for the container. Cooking lid. You put the metal rack in first. All right. Shows you how to put the water tub. So the container's rounded for better circulation and everything. And okay. There you go. I mean, you can read that. You can pause it if you want. Right, so here's the safety precautions. Okay, so wash it. Don't just use it because there might be some chemicals in there from the factory. Don't use abrasive scrubbers. Okay, don't move the container while it has water in it. If you're cooking for a long time. What? Oh, you want a heat protection on the bottom, so maybe put like a pot holder or something underneath. I don't know why they don't. They should just put some rubber feet on the bottom. It has plastic feet on the bottom. I think it should be okay. Okay, so it has this. And then it has this. So get it. Is the door open? Did I not close the garage? Oops. My brother just set a stray cats in the house. Okay, so here you go, the top of the device. And then it has this, so you can clamp it onto any size pot, or, well, almost any size pot, unless your pot's thicker than that. It's about 1 inch or so. Okay, then you got the cord protector. So I'm not going to use it right now because I have other work I need to do, but I'm just doing a quick unboxing to show what's in here. Alright, so there you go. You can see the bottom has this, and this has some nice handles to grab it. So yeah, alright, so that's the end of the unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you see this at your Costco and you want to try it out, yep, I mean, Costco has good return policies, so if you don't like it, you can just return it. So that's why I bought it, and I will give it a shot. We'll see how it goes. Once I figure out how it works and everything, I will probably make a video. If you guys want, just let me know in the comment section below. If nobody's interested, then I'll probably just use it. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll make the video anyways. Alright, so that's all there is to this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Oh, one other thing I forgot to show. So I took off the plastic in this, but they do have a protective layer of plastic on here, so you do want to remove this. Okay, peel it off. I mean, some people don't like removing those, but I don't know what they're trying to protect it for, but I just peel it off. Alright, so get that. It looks like there's 2 layers on here. That's weird. Alright, why is this thing stuck on there? Oh, I'm gonna drop my phone. So I put a blue tape here. Oh, I already peeled it off. Okay. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna wash it up and take a look at something I can cook around the house. We'll see. Maybe for now I'll start simple and just soft boil some eggs, because I bought 15 dozen eggs from Costco because it's cheaper. So yeah, alright. So I'll see you guys in another video. If the stuff turns out good, I'll make a video for this soon with stuff I cooked. Alright, thank you. Bye. Alright, so a few other things I forgot to show. The rack, how it fits in there. So there's the little notches there. It just lines up. Drop that in. Okay. And then this thing, you can adjust it or you can take it off. I don't know why you would move this around, but you can take this off. Maybe it's like if you need to clean it or something. Or I guess if your pot is too shallow, then you can adjust the height, how high you want this. Yeah, and then they got the max and minimum fill lines here, if you can even see it. It's too glary, sorry. But yeah, here's the minimum fill, the max fill, and you can adjust this thing to go anywhere. And this goes in like this. Alright, I'm going to put it all the way to the top. So this one tightens it on. Alright, so line it up and then tighten this thing up. That way it will stay in place. Okay, and then we're going to set this in here. Then we'll just tighten this onto here. Alright, and we will grab the lid. Put the lid on. So the lid just goes like this. And I guess you slide it, or maybe I should put that first. Okay, so let's take this out. Put the lid first. Alright. Make sure the lid is all in. You can actually see the rubber thing will seat around it, and then you can drop this one in there. Alright, so that seems the best way to do it. Okay, so hopefully you liked this video. Sorry for all the cuts and redos and everything. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.